Dreaming of a steakhouse quality steak at home? Let's make it happen. Follow these easy steps for a steak that's juicy and full of flavor. First, season your steak generously with salt and pepper. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Heat a heavy skillet over medium-high and add olive oil. Sear the steak for 2-3 minutes per side until a crust forms. Add butter, crushed garlic, and herbs. Spoon the melted butter over the steak. Cook to your liking. 130 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare, 140 degrees Fahrenheit for medium. Let it rest for 5 minutes, then slice against the grain. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, juicy steak. Like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.